Benny. Catch! Oh dear, what happened here? Benny is thinking hard about how to fix the broken pot. What do you think he should do? It's okay, sweetie. Thank you for being brave and telling Mama the truth. It's all right, Benny. Mama loves you very much. Everything is going to be fine. Goodbye, friends. We had so much fun today. See you again soon.